Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable ProRAW on your iPhone camera. So let's get started. So in order to enable this feature for your camera, we're going to have to go ahead into the setting. Now from your setting here, we're going to go to camera. Now once you get to the camera settings here, you're going to look for formats. And in the format section down here below is ProRAW and resolution control. So ProRAW is basically a 10-bit file that uses linear DNG format to retain more information and dynamic range in the file for more of your pictures, which pretty much adds flexibility when you're editing exposure and white balances. So we're going to go ahead and turn that on right here. And now with this setting turned on, you can go ahead and relaunch camera. If you don't see it come up, you can go ahead and turn off up here as well. And then we can go ahead and now use that feature as well. And then you can see the format here up top. You want to switch over to the RAW as well. And then from there on, we can go ahead and now take and capture in ProRAW. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. And thanks for watching.